Hello everyone on planet Earth, this is Ace of the Cosmos. Have you ever looked into the night sky and wondered what is out there? Well, I'll give you my take on it in the next few minutes. Welcome. Wherever you are, this is for you. Up next, how humans read the night, patterns, calendars, and navigation, then modern exploration of our solar system, stars and exoplanets, our galaxy, cosmic expansion, and what it all means. Tonight, we begin a journey, not with rockets, but with attention. Let your eyes adjust to the dark. Slow your breath, listen for the hush between heartbeats. We'll cross from stories to star charts, from calendars carved in stone to signals from distant probes. We'll touch the moon's quiet pull. We'll glance at the roaring birth of galaxies. No equations required, only curiosity, patience, a willingness to wonder. This isn't about escaping the world below. It's about remembering the one above that has always been ours. If you're ready, tilt your head upward. The story is already waiting, and it begins with the oldest feeling we know, looking up. Before we go further, a quick thought. How did everything begin? The Big Bang. We'll explore intense details later in this video. It is a universal experience. When darkness falls, we see points of light scattered across a vast black canvas. Some of these lights hold their positions night after night. Others wander. The moon waxes and wanes, a silent, rhythmic dance. For as long as our species has existed, people have gazed upward, feeling a deep sense of mystery. This shared moment of wonder connects every one of us. It links us to our most distant ancestors and to generations yet to be born. The stars have always felt like a cosmic question. This view is an inheritance. It belongs to everyone. The same sky that you see tonight was seen by ancient Egyptians. The same sky was seen by Roman centurions. The same sky was seen by Polynesian navigators. They felt the same awe. They asked the same fundamental questions. What are those lights? How far away are they? Are we alone? It invites curiosity. It sparks the imagination. It reminds us there is something much larger than daily life. A grand drama plays out on a scale hard to fully comprehend. The quiet power of a star-filled night is profound. It can make our problems feel small. It offers perspective. It is a natural cathedral, open to all, inspiring reverence for the cosmos. The darkness is not empty. It is full of potential. It is full of worlds. It is full of history. The light from the most distant stars began its journey long before humans walked the earth. When you look up, you are not just seeing space. You are seeing time. You are a witness to ancient light, a story unfolding for billions of years. This feeling of connection is a powerful force. It has driven science. It has inspired art. Long ago, our ancestors learned to watch the sky with purpose. They were the first astronomers. They saw that most stars remained fixed relative to each other. They recognized patterns in those stars, connecting the dots to form pictures. These patterns became constellations, familiar shapes, like the Big Dipper, Orion, the Hunter. They named these celestial figures and wove them into stories. They also noticed the wanderers, the planets. These planets moved against the steady star field, following complex, hard-to-predict paths. The moon fascinated them too, cycling through its phases. Early astronomy began from practical needs. For agricultural societies, knowing the seasons meant survival. The first astronomers were often farmers. Certain stars rising in the pre-dawn signaled the seasons. It told them when to plant and when to harvest. The sky was their calendar. The moon's regular cycles marked shorter periods, giving rise to the concept of the month. For ancient seafarers, the stars were a living map, a celestial guide across endless waters. Sailors learned to navigate by these fixed points in the heavens. Polaris, the North Star, became a constant, reliable beacon in the north. In the south, constellations like the Southern Cross served the same vital role. This knowledge let people venture far from shore, cross vast oceans, and connect distant lands. Reading the sky was power. It unlocked exploration, trade, and the expansion of empires. Many early astronomers were also priests or spiritual leaders. The orderly motion suggested a divine intelligence. Planetary movements were read as omens, messages from the gods that could foretell a king's fortune or a kingdom's fate. Understanding celestial events was a way to read the cosmos's will, so astronomy served the farmer, the sailor, and the priest. It was a profound attempt to find order and meaning in a chaotic world. The sky was their clock. The sky was their map. The sky was their sacred text. For thousands of years, the primary arena for human exploration was the surface of our own planet. We crossed continents. We sailed oceans. We climbed mountains. By the mid-20th century, there were no more unknown continents to discover. The blank spaces on our maps had been filled in. Our world felt fully charted. But just as this chapter of terrestrial exploration was closing, a new one was beginning. Our gaze turned upward to the heavens. The cosmos became our new ocean. The planets, the stars, once the domain of myth and gods, became our next destination. The dream of reaching the heavens became a reality in the 20th century. In a monumental leap for humanity, we left our home planet. Humans walked on the moon. The Apollo missions were a landmark achievement, a demonstration that the boundary between Earth and space was one we could cross. For the first time, we stood on another world and looked back at our own. We saw the Earth as it truly is, small, fragile, a blue and white marble suspended in the blackness of space. While human exploration has so far been limited to the moon, our robotic emissaries have journeyed much farther. We have sent unmanned spacecraft, our robotic probes, to every planet in our solar system. These probes have acted as our eyes and ears, sending back a treasure trove of data and breathtaking images. We have seen the rusty, windswept deserts of Mars through the cameras of rovers. We have flown through the majestic rings of Saturn and plunged into the turbulent atmosphere of Jupiter. We have witnessed volcanic eruptions on Io and glimpsed the nitrogen geysers of Triton. We have landed probes on Venus, on Mars, and even on a distant comet. For all our progress in exploring our solar system, the fixed stars still seem impossibly remote, tiny shimmering points of light. Yet we now know the truth. Each star is a sun. Many are larger, hotter, and more powerful than our sun. They are thermonuclear furnaces, converting millions of tons of matter into energy every second. Their serene twinkle is an illusion of distance in our atmosphere. Our sun is a rather average star. Some stars could swallow the inner planets. Others are tiny red embers, glowing for trillions of years. The night sky holds vast diversity of size, color, age, and temperature. The most profound recent discovery is about what surrounds stars. We have developed techniques to detect exoplanets, tiny dimmings, and stellar wobbles. Today, the number of known systems runs into the thousands. We find hot Jupiters, gas giants, super-Earths, even planets orbiting two stars. Planets are likely the rule, not the exception. Perhaps more planets than stars in the Milky Way. Some may resemble Earth. Do any harbor life or intelligent life? We are searching. All the individual stars you can see with your naked eye are part of our local cosmic family. Relatively close neighbors, they all belong to the Milky Way. On a dark night, you can see a faint luminous band stretching across the sky, the combined light of billions of distant stars. Our solar system orbits within a spiral arm, about 2/3 of the way out from the galactic center. It's a vast, rotating disk of stars, gas, and interstellar dust. The scale is staggering. Light takes about 100,000 years to cross it. We see parts of our galaxy as they were when Ice Age glaciers peaked and humans first spread. Beyond the Milky Way lie countless other galaxies stretching into the deep cosmic dark. Each is an island universe with hundreds of billions of stars and likely trillions of planets. There may be hundreds of billions, perhaps 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. The stars outnumber all the grains of sand on all of Earth's beaches. In the 1920s, Edwin Hubble made a profound discovery. Galaxies are moving away. The farther, the faster. The universe is expanding. The Big Bang model says it began about 13.8 billion years ago. An expansion of space itself. But what caused the Big Bang? What came before? We simply do not know. The ultimate origin of the universe remains one of science's greatest and most humbling unanswered questions. The profound beauty of the night sky is a universal gift that transcends borders, cultures, and even time itself. It is our shared human heritage. The same moon shines down on every continent, a silent, watchful companion. The same constellations have wheeled overhead for countless generations. From all walks of life, they saw the rise and fall of empires, the building of great monuments, the slow march of human progress. Looking up, people everywhere have felt that same profound sense of awe and smallness. The night sky is a powerful unifying force, a reminder we share one tiny planet under one vast cosmos. Modern astronomy sets Earth in a cosmic context, the story of our origins at the largest possible scale. From the Big Bang and forged in stellar hearts, elements came together to form galaxies, stars, and planets. On at least one of these planets, non-living matter somehow organized into life, from the first simple cells to complex ecosystems, and a species that can think and ask why. And this perspective humbles us and urges care for our precious world and for each other. The sky is a laboratory, a history book, a work of art, revealing our past across millions and billions of years. The study of the cosmos is for everyone who has ever looked up and felt that deep sense of wonder. The sky belongs to us all. Here's a thought to end with. It is not a proven scientific fact. It is a perspective, a way of thinking about our place in the grand scheme of things. It is the view I hold as ace of the cosmos. For billions of years, the universe expanded and evolved. Stars were born. Stars died. Galaxies collided. Matter swirled into intricate patterns. Yet there was no mind to witness them. Then, on at least one small rocky planet, something remarkable happened. Through evolution, life emerged, and eventually minds capable of abstract thought. Humans built telescopes, devised mathematics, and contemplated reality. We can now study the universe that created us, piece together its history, and ponder its future. Maybe the universe grows in meaning by creating beings who can know it. We are not separate from the cosmos. We are a part of it, the universe becoming self-aware. Our thoughts, our curiosity, our science, our art. These are the universe reflecting on itself. Humans may exist so that the cosmos can know itself. So, keep looking up, keep wondering. The night sky is a map, the night sky is a mirror. The night sky is an open-ended question. It is our shared home in the darkness, a constant invitation to explore and to understand. The story is far from over. The greatest discoveries may still lie ahead. Let the wonder of the cosmos continue to guide you. The universe is waiting to be known. If the cosmos calls to you, answer back. Subscribe and join our constellation of curious minds. Tap the bell. Let it ring like a distant pulsar so you never miss a new journey. Like this video to help more stargazers find the path. Share a thought below. What sky first made you wonder? As stars drift and a nebula blooms behind these words, remember, every click is a tiny thruster burn, pushing this voyage a little farther into the dark. Keep looking up. We'll meet in the next light.